Hey there, everyone. I'm back with another edition of my podcast, The Extra Mile. Since I'm not a native English speaker, I was worried that I might make grammatical errors. So, I opted to use AI to record this podcast. As you may be aware, the latest craze is ChatGPT, an AI system. I'm here to discuss the connection between AI and search engine optimization. Although some people might assume that ChatGPT is the first time they are experiencing artificial intelligence, that's not actually the case. In reality, we've already incorporated AI into our daily routines. Without doubt, the most widely used AI is Google. Behind the plain white page with a search box and a button lies a massive AI application. It is vital for any company to be featured on the first page or even the top 3 results of Google search. In order to do this, every marketing manager includes SEO studies in their strategy. Unfortunately, most don't get the desired results due to their lack of understanding of the AI model behind the Google search engine. Let's explore the AI of Google together. To start things off, Google makes use of machine learning, which is a subset of AI, to enhance the performance of their search engine. So, what is machine learning? Microsoft has defined it as: machine learning is the process of using mathematical models to help a computer learn without direct instructions. This is considered a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning uses algorithms to identify patterns in data. These patterns are also used to create a predictive data model. The results of machine learning become more accurate as the amount of data and experience grows, just as humans improve with more practice. In a nutshell, by feeding a large amount of data to powerful computers, these machines work out various calculations and offer predictions based on your specifications. The more data you introduce, the more accurate the forecasts become. Now let's take a look at SEO. Google desires to deliver its users with fantastic search results. One approach is to guess what people are searching for and what they anticipate to discover. Google has allocated each of us a number, such as I am user 134278893 on Google. In the past, these numbers could be seen in Google Analytics. It also records each search that we do and the websites that we click on in the search results. Moreover, if you are using Chrome, it stores your whole browsing history. Moreover, if Google Analytics is installed on the sites you visit, it is almost everywhere. It also logs your interactions on those websites. Google collects a huge amount of data and groups us into individual categories. It then uses machine learning to work out what we're looking for by analyzing the behavior of the group we're in. Based on the behaviors of the group we fall into, it can guess what we are looking for when we use the same words. For instance, when someone from England types in football, they will likely see results related to the Premier League, while an American would see results related to the NFL. This is a great example of how the search engine comprehends what we mean. The second part of this is how Google can anticipate what we desire to see. It classifies websites by using text analytics. The title, description, and initial paragraph of each page are preserved on Google's servers. The more the words that users type in the search box match the words that Google retrieves and stores about a website, the more likely that website will appear in the search results. So how do sites that contain almost the same keywords end up with different rankings? This is where user experience comes into play. There are numerous elements that contribute to the user experience, but the main ones are speed, design, and content of the website. Google has tools that can measure the speed of websites, but it is not possible to evaluate the quality of the design and the contents for now. To measure user experience, Google records the time users spend on that website, the amount of pages they visit, and the number of times they scroll through the pages to see if they read through the whole page. Using the data collected, the predictions created by the machine learning model used by Google will also affect the ranking of websites. In short, Google accumulates a huge amount of data by recording the behavior of users and the performance of websites. After that, it interprets this data with machine learning models and creates its ranking. In regards to SEO, there's also the topic of backlinks, but I won't be discussing that in this part. I'll get into it more in the near future, So stay tuned. See you soon.